Okay, here is the changes to size and scale. Figure it's a little easier to show this with a 3D view like this. So this wall, the window's gone. That door is where we discussed 96 plus 8. On the right side, it's a foot off the wall, and these are a foot deep, open shelves, and then we put a panel that comes down on this side. Plastic laminate countertop here. These would be some pretty shallow drawers, as these base cabinets are only 12 inches deep. So that drawer will probably be 10 inches deep. On this file cabinet side, we have 42 inches from the door to the side. The printer's 36, but just to have a little extra room to clear the corner and tuck it back in here a little bit. And then with these drawers here, with these file drawers, you can get 2 letter files in here easily, because those, let's look at that drawer front. So the inside opening is 39.5, and we're going to lose about 1.5 inches for the drawer box sides. So you have about 38 inches on the inside, and the hanging file folders are about 12.5, 12.25 wide. So possibly 3 in there. We can adjust that a little bit. So 1, 2, 3. So when you open these up, the pages would be facing you. Letter size. This cabinet sits on top of the countertop, no trim. This piece over here, we have a flat ceiling, so I'll have trim, and the top of the trim's at 96. Over here, because you want to put things on top, the top of the cabinet will be at 96, no trim, with a flat melamine top. Doors, adjustable shelves. Drawer here won't work because when you pull that open, it would hit the stand for the monitor. Right here. So just an open cubby. The stand, 10 inches deep, 6 tall, 30 wide, on center between the cabinets, drawers underneath. So we have 30 in between underneath here. Open shelving for client files, open shelving for samples, 4 more drawers, file drawers, standard drawer, doors underneath. This is the signing counter, 42 inches, and with the door swing, we really can't bring it over to the side of cabinet number 20. But a panel here, this is at 30, 42, so we don't have an opening in here. Just put a panel here to block that off. And then we have a panel underneath the countertop right here, just to close that off. And then this would be a support for that countertop. So the light bridge here is 8 inches tall, 8 inches deep, 2 inches here, and 2 inches on this side. The space from the front and the back of the cabinet to the back or the front of the light bridge, we have a couple inches, and Tony would have to stub out electrical probably right here and just lay wire across the top to put lighting in here. And then all of this would be vertical grain. It's all going straight up. So those sheets come 48 wide. This is, I think, 70. So we'd have to just do horizontal grain here. All these shelves would be horizontal grain. So the inside and the back is vertical grain, but the standard practice is the shelves are horizontal. And then this would be horizontal grain here, the bottom and the front and back. So there's, when we do this, we'd put anything that's sitting on top of the countertop, we cannot put on until the countertops go in. So we would put about half of this in and then pull off until the countertops are on, and then come back out and set up tools again to put these cabinets on the countertops. And there's a countertop here, it's just not drawn in there. So anyway, that's what we've got. Let me know what you think.